How to cancel Tuya Smart Subscription. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Settings app. At the very top, you'll find your Apple ID. Open it. Now open this option Subscriptions. In this page, you will be able to find different sections. Under Active Subscription, you'll find the option of Tuya Smart. You have to click on it. You will get the option of Cancel Subscription. Clicking on that, you will get the pop-up Confirm Cancellation. Click on Confirm. With that, you have just cancelled subscription for your Tuya Smart. As if right now I don't have any ongoing subscription, so it is showing nothing over here. But in the case you do have subscription, you will find in this page. And following the steps, you will be able to cancel the subscription. The great thing is you can carry on using the app until the subscription date was originally due. Also, deleting the Tuya Smart app or account will not cancel your subscription, and subscriptions renew automatically unless you cancel your subscription manually on your own. Well, that's all for this video. This is how you can easily cancel Tuya Smart subscription. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.